Hello guys, in today's video I'll be teaching how you can claim free Tron. All you have to do is just to stick around till the end and you learn how you can successfully claim free Tron TRX for yourself. Okay, but before that, if you're new to this channel, do hit the red subscribe button, like this video and turn on your bell icon so you get notifications of important videos like this. Okay, but before that, I would like you to join me as I withdraw this amount of coin to my Trust wallet now. So I'll be scrolling down and I have a lot of coins. I have Bitcoin, I have Dash, I have Digibyte, Dogecoin, Ethereum Classic, and so many other coins. But for the purpose of this video, we'll be trying to withdraw the Tron TRX. So we'll be withdrawing Tron TRX. So this is Tron TRX. I have about 2.02 Tron TRX in this site, and I'm going to withdraw it straight to my Trust wallet. Okay, so the first thing I have to do is just to head on to my Trust wallet, copy my Tron wallet address, then paste it into this site and withdraw this coin straight to my wallet. So this is my Tron account. This is my Tron account now. So it's currently zero. As you can see, I have 0 Tron TRX right here. So I'll be copying my wallet address now and heading back straight to the site I'm using to withdraw this coin. So I'll be clicking on this one that says withdraw right here. Then you will see that it is a direct withdrawal and I'm going to receive about 1.92 Tron TRX because of service charge. So I'm going to paste in my wallet address right in this one that says paste wallet address and scroll down a bit and click on this one that says withdraw right here. Okay, as you can see, this is successful. You can see the notification, it is successful, and I'll be heading straight to my Trust wallet now to check whether this actually all I have to do is just to minimize and head straight back to my Trust wallet, and I'll put my passcode. Then I'll just have to refresh. So if I refresh now, you see that I have you can see that I have received about 1.92 TRX right in my Trust wallet without having to do anything or invest anything right in that site. Okay, now I'll be teaching you how to accumulate this Tron TRX for yourself without having to invest anything in this site. So I need to focus on this one that says PTC ads. So if you click on PTC ads, you can see I have about 11 PTC ads to click, and if you scroll down a bit and you see I have a total of enable 153.23 coins after clicking these 11 ads. So I'll just be using one as an example. I'll be using this one that says 16 seconds. So I will just be staying 16 seconds on this site and I'll earn about 12.77 coins. That's the only thing required of you to claim these coins. I'll just click on it and I'll just have to scroll down a bit and solve this little captcha that says stick, thanks and anxiety. Then I'll proceed to clicking on this countdown. After this countdown, you just click on it and you get to claim your coins after the 16 seconds countdown. Just after the countdown, you just have to click on this one that says continue at the top right corner. Then you go back, and automatically you can see that these coins are added to our wallet right here. So if you look very well, this place was initially 0 but now it's 12.77. so this is one of the ways you can earn coins right from the second way you can earn coins from this site is through short links. So I'll be teaching how I can earn coins through short links now. So if you look very well, you see short links in my drop down list here. So I have about 7 short links to click and claim coins. So if I scroll down a bit, you see I have a total of 91.21 enable coins right from this short link, but I'll just be using one as an example just for the purpose of this video. I'll be using this one that says 13.03 coins just to visit this site. Okay guys, after the process of the short links, you will notice that my coins increased to about 25.80 coins, and these coins will be converted to any crypto of your choice. Is either Tron, BTC, Ethereum, Litecoin, or any coin of your choice. Okay, and after that, these coins will be sent straight to your wallet, any wallet you make use of, either MetaMask, Coinbase, Trust Wallets, or any wallet you store your coins with. Very soon we'll be taking a bold step into trading. I'll be explaining the basic things you need to know in crypto trading and how you can make more money from crypto trading. All you have to do is just to stay tuned, subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell icon so you get notifications of important videos like that. If you have any questions to ask, you can put it down in the comment section and I'll be very glad to respond to your questions. Thank you guys and see you in my next video.